Consumers across Delhi will have to loosen their purse strings, especially as power tariffs are going to be going up significantly starting 1st of July. The government today announced that domestic users will have to pay 25% more for the electricity they use, and revised tariffs will be in effect from the 1st. Nitya Balakrishnan joins us from Delhi. Nitya, what is the thinking behind this, and what does this really translate into per unit increase for anyone paying their bills?
Well, Shelley, clearly what we're picking up is 25% of tariff increase as far as power is concerned for domestic usage. Now, this will mean that per unit electricity will now cost to the tune of 5 rupees 17 paise. Now, clearly this is something that consumers across the board are not happy with, because remember, industrial purposes as well as for commercial purposes, electricity power tariffs have gone up, but that is just by 20%. So the biggest hit really is for the consumer, and DERC is justifying this, simply saying that the cost of procurement when it comes to fuel, both coal and gas, is getting to be very expensive for power companies. But considering the fact that it is summer, the hottest couple of months as far as Delhi is concerned, air conditioners pretty much on all the time, it's domestic users who will be shelling out close to 25% more for electricity, and that is something that they're simply not coming to terms with at the moment.